Big moves are happening right now. PLAG is catching attention. Volume is picking up. Insider confidence is growing. Investors are excited. If you're watching small cap green plays, this one deserves a close look. Planet Green Holdings Corp is a company positioned in the sustainability and green tech arena. It has been focused on unlocking green opportunities and streamlining its asset base to accelerate growth. Over recent months, the company has taken strategic steps to sharpen its focus and create value for shareholders. That mix of strategy and momentum is exactly what investors hunt for in breakout stories. There are several recent headlines fueling optimism. First, the company announced that Joe Bin, CEO of Planet Green, acquired 1.1 million shares. That's a bold vote of confidence from the top. When insiders buy in size, it signals belief in the business and the path ahead. Second, shareholders approved a board election and a share increase at the recent meeting. That demonstrates active shareholder engagement and gives the company flexibility to pursue growth initiatives. Third, Planet Green completed the sale of promising prospect HK Limited. That completed disposition clears the way for management to focus on core opportunities and strengthens the corporate blueprint. And fourth, commentators and weekly investment reports are asking whether Planet Green can attract ESG capital inflows, a positive framing that places the company on the radar of sustainability-minded investors. These are concrete positive developments. Each one is a clear catalyst. Together, they stack up into a compelling narrative. Let's talk growth drivers. First, ESG investing continues to draw massive inflows. Funds and institutions are actively reallocating capital to companies with green credentials. Planet Green sits right in that thematic. Interest from ESG-focused investors can turn a small cap into a major mover quickly. Second, management is executing corporate housekeeping, strategic asset sales, and governance updates that increase optionality. That kind of cleanup often precedes accelerated deployment of capital into growth initiatives. Third, insider buying is an underappreciated technical and psychological driver. It attracts attention from traders and long-term investors alike. Finally, broader industry momentum matters. Demand for sustainable solutions, green infrastructure, and carbon-conscious projects is rising. This macro tailwind can lift companies that are well-positioned, and Planet Green is getting noticed at exactly the right time. Why might PLAG keep rising? Start with conviction from the CEO. When leadership personally buys shares, it creates a narrative of alignment between insiders and public holders. Next, the corporate actions, shareholder-approved board changes, and a completed asset sale clear obstacles and create runway. That combination of insider belief and proactive corporate moves often fuels renewed investor interest. Add in the possibility of ESG capital flowing in, and you've got a multi-front momentum picture. For long-term investors, the story is about transformation. Planet Green is shifting its portfolio, tightening governance, and positioning itself for growth within sustainability markets. If execution continues, PLAG could ride both fundamental improvements and renewed market appetite for green stocks. That's a powerful long-term thesis. This is an exciting chapter for Planet Green Holdings Corp. Insider buying, strategic asset moves, and shareholder-backed flexibility are all positive signals. PLAG is now on many radars. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, follow this story closely. Hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown. Subscribe for weekly stock stories and updates. Drop a comment. Are you watching PLAG? Which catalyst excites you most? I'll read every comment. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.